In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TikTok shop address using the TikTok mobile app. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Once you're on the main screen, you'll want to focus your attention on the bottom of your screen where you'll see an option labeled Shop. Tap on that. Now, when you've entered the TikTok Shop section, direct your gaze to the top of the screen. Here's a neat trick. Simply swipe from right to left. As you do this, keep an eye out for the Address tab. Once you spot it, go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on the Address tab, you'll be presented with different options regarding your shipping details. You have the freedom to either add a new address or make tweaks to the one you already have. For our tutorial, let's focus on adding a fresh address, so tap on Add Address. Now it's time to fill in the various fields with your information. This is where you'll input your name, your phone number, your full address, and any additional address details that might be necessary. This step is pretty important, so make sure all the details you provide are accurate. Having the right information ensures that your orders reach you without any hiccups. Another handy feature you might want to consider is setting this new address as your default. By doing so, all your future orders will use this address automatically, making the checkout process smoother and quicker for you next time. If this sounds good, just look out for the option that allows you to set it as default and select it. Once you're sure that everything looks good and the details are in place, a simple tap on Save at the bottom of the screen will do the trick. And just like that, you've successfully changed or added a new address on your TikTok shop. This process is designed to be straightforward, making your online shopping experience more convenient and tailored to your needs. If you found this guide helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could give us a like. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more TikTok shop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.